Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Note 10 charger is probably one of the most crucial accessories for your phone, especially if you're always on the go. Fast charging capabilities have become a must-have feature, allowing you to quickly top up your battery and stay connected. In this video, we'll dive into the world of fast charging, exploring the best chargers for your Samsung Note 10 and how they can enhance your mobile experience. Number 5. Anker USB-A to USB-C cable, 2-pack, 6 feet. Anker is a leading technology brand. This cable is designed to provide reliable power and data transfer for your devices. Join the millions who trust Anker for their charging needs. This USB-C cable is USB-F compliant, ensuring safe and dependable charging. It's designed to work with almost any USB-C device, providing a secure and stable connection. The cable is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Rigorous lab tests prove it can handle up to 10,000 bends, making it a durable choice for everyday use. This cable supports fast charging up to 15 W and data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. It's perfect for quickly charging your devices and syncing your data. Please note that it is not compatible with power delivery. You'll receive two 6-foot braided Anker USB-A to USB-C cables. It also includes a 24-month warranty and friendly customer service, ensuring you're completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This cable is built to last, withstanding thousands of bends. It offers fast charging and data transfer speeds. If you are looking for a reliable cable that can handle daily wear and tear, then this is a great choice. What people say. It's absolutely a long cable that charges well. This Anker charger cable is fantastic. It's super durable, charges quickly, and the reinforced design means it doesn't fray like cheaper cables. I've been using it daily, and it still looks and works like new. Number 4. Type-C Fast Charging Kit for Android. This Type-C charger provides rapid charging for your Android devices. It can quickly charge your phone, saving you valuable time. The charger has built-in safeguards to protect your device. It prevents short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating, ensuring safe charging. With Quick Charge 3.0, it can charge your phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. This is significantly faster than standard chargers. It charges Samsung phones and tablets at high speed and also supports data transfer. You can charge and sync your device simultaneously. This charger is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works with Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, LG, and other USB Type-C devices. The package includes 2 charging blocks and 2 6-feet charging cords. It also comes with an 18-month replacement and 24-hour service support. What we like. This charger can charge your phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. It is compatible with a wide range of devices. If you have multiple devices or need a charger for different phones, this is a great option. What people say. This charges my phone quickly. This charger takes a third of time, maybe less. It charges fast. Number 3. 25W USB-C Fast Charger for Samsung. Introducing the 25W USB-C Fast Charger. This charger is designed to quickly power up your Samsung Galaxy devices. It's the perfect solution for anyone needing a fast and reliable charge. Despite its compact size, this charger packs a punch with 25W of power. It's more convenient and portable than other chargers. You can get a full charge in no time. The included 10-foot USB-C cable offers flexibility and convenience. It supports fast charging and data transfer speeds. It's perfect for use at home or while traveling. This charger is built with intelligent chips to protect your devices. It safeguards against short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. It automatically stops charging when the battery is full. This charger works with a wide range of Android USB-C devices. It's compatible with Samsung Galaxy S series, Note series, and more. It is a versatile charging solution. The package includes 2 25W USB-C fast charger blocks and 2 extra long 10-foot USB-C fast charging cables. You'll have everything you need to keep your devices powered up. What we like. This charger is small but packs a punch with 25W of power. It comes with an extra long cable for added convenience. If you like a compact yet powerful charger with a long cable, this is perfect for you. What people say. Charges my phone from 20% to 100% in less than 45 minutes. The 10 feet long Type-C charger cable is very useful, allowing me to charge my phone from across the room or while working without having to be right next to the outlet. The charger is compatible with a wide range of Samsung devices, including the latest Galaxy series. Number 2. Vilive 45W Samsung Super Fast Charger. This is the Vilive 45W Samsung charger. It utilizes power delivery technology for the most efficient charging. It can charge your phone from 0% to 50% in just 20 minutes. The charger comes with an extra long 10-foot Type-C to C cable. It offers a user-friendly design and allows for fast charging and data transfer. You can even charge 2 devices at once. This charger is compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones and Google Pixel devices. It also supports PPS protocol for super-fast charging on compatible devices. This makes it very versatile. The charger has multiple built-in safeguards to protect your devices. It prevents damage from short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and overcharging. It's designed to keep your device safe. You'll receive 2 45W USB-C fast charger blocks and 2 10-feet charging cords. If you have any questions, please contact Vilive. We are here to help you. What we like. This charger provides the most efficient charging power with 45W. It comes with a 10-foot cable for flexible use. If you are looking for the fastest charging speeds, this charger is the way to go. What people say. When my phone is completely dead, it only takes about an hour and a half to reach a full charge. Length is awesome and cord is sturdy, box is large, but it's to hold all that fast charging awesomeness. Super fast charging. I forgot to put my phone charge during the night and I have 15%, so I put to charge and in 20 minutes I got 50% loved. Number 1. Anker 25W USB-C fast charger with cable. Need a quick power boost? This charger can charge your Samsung S23 up to 50% in just 28 minutes. It's fast and efficient, keeping you connected. This charger is incredibly versatile. Thanks to PowerIQ 3.0 technology, it works with a wide range of devices and supports PPS for optimal charging. Your devices are protected with the Multi-Protect safety system. It regulates current and protects against overvoltage and short circuits, ensuring safe charging every time. This charger is compact and lightweight, perfect for travel. With its included 5-foot cable, you can easily charge your devices wherever you go. You'll receive a 2-pack of Anker 25W chargers, 2 5-feet USB-C cables, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and excellent customer service. It has everything you need. What we like. This charger can boost your phone to 50% in just 28 minutes. It is compatible with a wide range of devices. If you are looking for a fast and safe charger, then you should consider this. What people say. Use them with my S20 5G and it will go from 0 to 80 in about 30 minutes. This Anker 25W fast charger made for other Samsung phones works perfectly. Phone charged fully in little over an hour. And you get 2. They deliver exactly what they promise, lightning fast charging with no issues whatsoever. I've been using them consistently, and they work flawlessly every single time. The build quality is excellent, they don't overheat, and they're compact enough to take anywhere. Whether it's charging my phone, tablet, or other devices, these adapters handle it all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.